Did you think that you were gonna be this ripped when you joined the program?
I didn't think it was possible.
When you look at yourself in the fucking morning, you see your fucking six pack, you see the veins.
Every morning, I'm like, damn. I was getting some diet sodas. And the lady's like, oh, you look good. I'm like, goddamn, 3.5 months ago, whatever it was not happening.
This guy essentially went from looking skinny fat to looking like a fitness coach. Guys, I'm gonna share with you guys Mark's story. He was skinny fat, soft as fuck 12 weeks ago, and 12 weeks later, he's looking like a fucking junior huncho is what I'm gonna call him. So, Mark, man, tell them how long have you been in the program, bro?
Yeah, since I believe February 17th. That's the day I signed up.
Yeah, so it's been about 3 months then.
3 months, 2 weeks, but yeah, 14 weeks, I think.
Okay, so 14 weeks in total. I'm gonna post up his pictures here. Answer me this, bro. Like, what was actually going on in your life that made you finally decide, you know what, I'm gonna do something about it?
Man, I was tired of spinning the wheels, man. Like, I was going through some old photos. It's like I take like a shirtless photo every like 6 months to a year. I'm looking back at every year. I'm like, I look the same in every single picture. But I'm hitting my protein. I'm following what the guys say on YouTube. But it's just not working. So I'm thinking maybe it's my genes, man, or it's just something. I don't have that special thing that Huncho has or whatever. I don't know what they got, but I guess I don't have it in me. So yeah, man. Then I started implementing your free advice, and that got me down from about 173 to about 165. I plateaued there, and if it wasn't for you, I would probably start thinking like, I guess doesn't work for me. I guess I'm stuck at 165. I guess that's it.
How long had you been trying to like kind of like look really good, bro?
And years, maybe like 2023. But I've been going in the gym on and off since like 2019, on and off, not consistent whatsoever. I take like a little 2 months going consistent, I'll skip a month, whatever. And then not only tracking my workouts, definitely not tracking my food. I'm like, but I can get it, like what you say, high protein, not tracking carbs, not tracking fats. And I'm like, but if I got the protein,
Yeah. What did you think when you came across my channel? You saw some of the transformations and you saw some of the results we were having.
seeing. So I'm like, okay, this shit's looking pretty good. But I'm like, I don't know if it'll work for me. I was watching you for a good solid year before I took action. I'm like, I don't know, man. I might not. I don't got that special gene, man. That special whatever it factor. So I'm like, I don't know. But
So you had been watching me for a year up until that point.
about a year, I'd say, yeah, maybe even more, but definitely a year minimum.
Okay. And what do you think would have happened if you would have just waited another 6 months or another 12 months?
I'd be in the same spot, taking that same picture every 6 months, wondering where's the change going, man.
Now, let me ask you this: like, why was this so important to you?
Because I wanna be a fitness coach, man. I'm like, how am I gonna teach people how to do it if I can't do it for myself? As you said, if you try to teach somebody you can do it for yourself, you're basically a scammer. And I'm like, right.
Exactly. And what made you decide to join this program specifically? Because I mean, there's a lot of coaches, right? Everybody says they're a fitness coach. Everybody is, talking about it. So what made you decide, you know what, I'm going to join this program specifically?
I feel like everyone's giving out the same like generic bullshit advice, but you giving a bunch of free game on here. You said do this to the macros, do this to the carbs, do this. Then when you get to this point, drop the carbs. I guess I'm like, okay. I'm trying like, okay, this shit's working. Like nobody else brings this shit up. Or when you break down how to train properly, like I kind of knew how to train because I had a personal trainer in the gym for like a year, so I knew how to train hard. I'm like, what he's saying is right. Cause it's the same shit my coach has me doing in the gym, and that's how I'm seeing the results.
So, dude, you're working with a trainer for 12 months. I'm sure he taught you some form, how to technique, right? How to work out, but you never got ripped in 12 months. And that's good for the people watching too, because I hear some people that tell me, oh, I'm gonna just get a trainer. Dude, the trainer is probably gonna charge you, I don't know, like $50 a session or something.
I was paying like 90 an hour, man, a session.
You pay 90 an hour a session. Let's just say 2 sessions a week or 3 sessions a week. That's $250 a week. You guys do the math on that. You will learn how to do exercise, but they're not going to actually get you ripped, guys, because they're not allowed to give you nutrition. Like that's anti-corporate. Like they can get in trouble for that. And on top of that, you won't get results like Mark just said, right? Because Mark just said like you can train how hard you guys want in 12 months. Mark wasn't really looking impressive whatsoever. Matter of fact, when I show his pictures on here, you guys are going to see he had a little bit of a side tip action is what he had going on.
I probably, according to the scans at the gym, I probably lost like 3% body fat, but I wasn't seeing much difference. I'm like, it's saying I gained like a little muscle here, lost a bit of fat. I'm like, I don't see it. It was too small of a change to even notice it. And he gave me like a meal plan. No, sorry, not a meal plan. Like these are calories and macros. And looking back now, I'm like, they want to be like a recomp. I'm like, that recomp shit would not have worked for me, man. That maintenance calories and super high fats. I'm like 80 grams of fat. I'm like,
Damn.
I'm like looking at that shit. I'm like, that shit would have never worked. I would have plateaued hard and been confusing and spitting my wheels off.
Yeah. Now, when you joined the program, were you hesitant? Were you scared the first 24, 48 hours? How was that experience, bro?
I'm like, damn, shit is real, man. I gotta take this shit seriously.
Yeah. Now, when did you start to see the results? Was it slow? Was it fast? Like, how was that? When did you first start to realize, holy fuck, I think this is working?
Maybe like a month and a half in, 5, 6 weeks, I'd say. I take like a video in the gym. I'm I'm looking, I'm like, damn, look at the way I freaking look. I showed it to my homie. He's like, bro, put me on, bro. Give me in a meal plan. I'm like, I got you. And I got him down like 12 pounds right now. You know what I'm saying?
Fuck yeah. What are some of the comments or some of the reactions that people have said to you that they would have never said before?
It was like 99% positive, I said. But like, you're looking, my brother called me Superman. He like, look like Superman, man. I'm like, damn, okay, all right, cool, cool, cool. You know what I'm saying? Friends say I'm looking cut up.
Yeah.
Even other homies are like, bro, put me on. I'm like, gets a bunch of compliments all around. I've only got called skinny twice. And when I heard that, I'm like, that means I'm doing the right goddamn thing. Call me
Yeah. Yeah.
That's another good thing too, because without the community, without you guys talking about this kind of stuff in the community and the group calls, I'd have been like, skinny, damn, I gotta put some weight back on, man. Ain't no way. And I thought I would have gotten to my end point and like 160, 165. You gotta lose more weight than you think you gotta lose, man. You gotta lose more weight. I'm like, but I don't want to be 155, man. 150. Tell that to me a year ago. 150, 145, where I'm at the end of the program. I'm like, nah, that's crazy. I look too skinny, man. But
Now, dude, when you look at yourself in the fucking morning, you look down, you see your fucking six pack, you see the veins.
I got the mirror in
Yeah.
front of my goddamn bed. Every morning, I'm like, damn.
Yeah. How does that feel, bro? How does it feel, man?
I'm like,
Tell
yeah,
them.
this is me right here. I put this goddamn work in. This is me. I'm like, I ain't never going back. I ain't going back. Never.
Yeah. How has your confidence changed, bro? Has that helped your confidence, the way you carry yourself?
After I took that video in the gym, I was looking crazy. I just started walking around like I was the goddamn man. I'm like, yeah, she's smiling at me. Yeah, I'm the man. Yeah, I know I'm the man.
Mm-hmm.
Random shit. Even at the grocery store, like 2 days ago, I was getting some diet sodas. Self checkout, by the way, just to make it preface it properly. I paid for it. I'm leaving. The lady at work said, tells me thank you. I'm like, what she tell me thank you for? I'm like, huh? Like that seems a little weird. And I'm walking out. Another lady's like, oh, you look good. I'm like, oh, I appreciate it. I'm like, that shit wasn't happening goddamn 3.5 months ago, whatever it was. It was not happening. Not happening whatsoever.
Everybody just starts treating you just a little bit better. You know
A
what I'm
little bit
saying?
better, man. A little bit better, man. 100%.
Yeah. Do you actually think you were going to be this ripped? And I'm going to show some clips of you because we met in person. We trained together. You know what I'm saying? I got to see you in person. Did you think that you were going to be this ripped when you joined the program?
I didn't think it was possible for myself. I'm like, nah, I just want to lose a couple pounds off, get a little bit of a little 4-pack, I remember I was saying, 15% would sound kind of cool, I guess. I'm like, is that too good? I'm like, okay, 15. I didn't want to say 12. I'm like, well, fuck it. We got down to goddamn 10, man. We got down to 10. I'm like, shit, this shit's addicting, man. You get to 15, like, shit, I got to 15. I can take it to 12. I got to 12. I can take it to 10.
There it is.
Yep.
Yeah. When you see yourself breaking those barriers that you didn't even think were possible, you know what I'm saying? That's when it gets addicting and you just keep going. And guys, like this guy essentially went from looking skinny fat to looking like a fitness coach. If he posts any pictures online, everybody's going to be like, yo, teach me something, Mark. You know what I'm saying? Like I need a meal plan. I need to get in shape.
Like all my friends online and stuff. One guy at the gym gave me a comment. He's like, damn, bro, what do you weigh? Like 170? I'm like, nah, bro, I'm like 145. He's like, you're fucking lying.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was actually impressive seeing you in person, bro. I felt proud. I was like, this motherfucker's been doing the work. This guy looks fucking phenomenal. And for anybody watching, guys, Mark didn't even think he had the potential to really look good. You know what I'm saying? Like he thought getting to 15% was it, but that's what happens, guys, when you stop just doing things 50% and you actually have a system that you just execute every single week. And 12 weeks later, you're looking like a different human. You know what I'm saying? So let me ask you this last question. What's the difference between how you look at yourself in the mirror now versus how you used to look at yourself before in the mirror?
Before in the mirror, I'd be like, okay, I'm looking decent. I got a few, I don't look too bad, whatever. Now it's completely different. Now I'm like looking at the old photos. I'm like, damn, that's how my chest used to look like. That's how my stomach wasn't that bad, but I got a little bit of love hand. I'm like, I thought I was looking decent. Man, that was terrible, man. That was fucking terrible. Thinking I'm looking decent because I'm filling out shirts and shit. I'm like,
yeah. When you achieve something that you didn't think you were capable of, and then you compare it back to your old self, you realize like how far gone you were or like how whack you were. You know what I'm saying?
100%.
This is what I talk about videos. There's a video I talk about how I remember one of the girls that I was dating at the time, she had never seen me ripped. And then when she saw me ripped, she was like, damn, like I never knew you could look like that. So it's the same thing with yourself. It's like, dude, if you don't know that you could look like that, you're going to think you're fine. You're going to think you're looking okay. You're going to think things are okay. But guys, when you fucking get ripped and in shape, holy shit, does that change your perception of what you're actually capable of and what the standard is now?
100%.
If there's anybody watching this, Mark, anybody watching is skinny fat, they think they don't got the genetics, they do personal training, they think that's going to help them. You know what I'm saying? What advice would you actually give them, bro?
You got to get a coach, man. You got to get somebody who's done. You got to get somebody who's done what you want to do to teach you how to do it. Like going forward, anything now in life, if I want to learn to do X, whatever, I'm getting the guy who knows how to do it. I'm not going to try by myself. It's just not going to happen as fast. You got to get a coach, man. It sounds like a little bit belittling, like, oh, I don't need a coach. I'm better than that. No, man, you're not better than that. I think as you were saying, Kobe had a coach. Michael had a coach. All these people had coaches. And you're too good for a coach? Come on, man. Come on. People are going to tell you, oh, you're crazy spending that much money. money for a coach, whatever. It's worth every dollar, man. Well, you keep doing what you're doing. We'll see you in 6 months. See how look. Take a picture right now. Take a picture in 6 months. See what you look like, and then rethink what you just did. Because yeah, man, just
they'll be sitting in the same exact position 6 months, 12 months from now, scratching their head, getting mad at Huncho because these transformations are looking elite and they're still looking like shit, man. So there, you guys heard it from Mark, man.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? And Mark, I think you re-up for a whole year now, so we're gonna essentially just put on a shit ton of muscle with you, right?
Yeah, we re-up for a year, bro. I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, this is gonna be a hell of a sick fucking transformation, bro. I'm looking forward to the next video I'll make with you, man, on this channel.
Oh yeah, get me like 6 months later, a year later. We'll see. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
Yep, I'm gonna cut this video short right here, guys, man. If you guys need help, if you're skinny fat, you're stuck, and you essentially want to look like a fitness coach, there's gonna be a link in the description. You can book a call to see if I can even help you. Because I'm gonna be honest, there's some guys I talk to when we vet their mindset, it's like we can't even help you, bro. Like we can't even help you. So we might be able to help you, we might not. Get on a call. We'll see if this is even a good program for you. If it is, then we'll see if we can work together. Mark, man, I appreciate you for coming on, my brother.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, let's keep kicking ass, guys. That was a video, guys. Huncho and Mark checking out. Peace.